Hello everyone. This is the continuation of the previous video. In this, we will be learning about the other three periods in drama, that is Restoration drama, Modern drama, and Indian drama. Restoration drama, a significant period in English literary history, is characterized by its witty and satirical comedies, influenced by the re-establishment of the monarchy in 1660 after the Puritan interregnum. Historical context: the restoration of the monarchy under Charles II in 1660 marked the end of Puritan era and the reopening of theatres, leading to a revival of drama. This period saw a reaction against Puritan austerity and a flourishing of new theatrical styles. William Wycherley, known for his cynical and satirical comedies like The Country Wife and The Plain Dealer. William Congreve, famous for his witty and sophisticated comedies of manners, including The Way of the World. George Etheridge, a pioneer of the comedy of manners, with plays like The Man of Mode. John Dryden, a prominent figure as playwright, poet, and literary critic, contributing to both tragedy and comedy. Afra Behan, a pioneering female playwright known for her comedies and tragedies such as The Rover. Characteristics of Restoration drama: comedy of manners. This genre satirized the social customs, behaviors, and relationships of the upper class, often with witty dialogue and complex plots. Witty dialogue: sharp, clever, and often cynical dialogue was a hallmark of Restoration comedies, reflecting the social sophistication and intellectualism of the time. Complex plots. Plays often featured intricate plots involving love triangles, mistaken identities, and social intrigues. Moral ambiguity. Restoration dramas often explored moral issues with a degree of ambiguity, challenging traditional notions of right and wrong. Influence of French drama. French drama, particularly Molière, influenced the style and themes of Restoration comedies. The reintroduction of female actors, the re establishment of the monarchy saw the return of females on stage, a significant change from the Puritan era. Modern drama. Modern drama, emerging in the late 19th and early 20th century, is characterized by its focus on realism, social issues, and the struggles of ordinary people, often challenging societal norms. It moved away from the grand narratives and heroic figures of earlier drama, instead, exploring the complexities of individual lives and relationships and the impact of societal changes. Key characteristics: realism. Modern drama often employs a realistic style using everyday language, relatable characters, and settings that reflects the lives of ordinary people. Social issues. Plays frequently tackle social problems like poverty, inequality, marriage, and the impact of industrialization on individuals and families. Individual versus society. A central theme is the individual's struggle within the constraints and expectations of society. Psychological depth. Modern drama delves into the inner lives and psychological complexities of characters, exploring their thoughts, feelings, and motivations. Focus on ideas. Plays often explore philosophical and social ideas, prompting audiences to reflect on important issues. Anti heroic protagonists. Unlike the heroic figures of earlier drama, modern plays often feature protagonists who are flawed, vulnerable, and struggle with everyday problems. Influential playwrights Henrik Ibsen, often considered the father of modern drama, Ibsen's plays like A Doll's House and Ghosts explored social issues and individual psychology with a realistic approach. George Bernard Shaw. Shaw's plays, such as Pygmalion and Major Barbara, often used humor and wit to critique social conventions and institutions. Eugene O'Neill. O'Neill's dramatic works, like Long Day's Journey into Night, delved into the complexities of family relationships and the human conditions. Anton Chekhov. Chekhov's plays, such as Cherry Orchard and Three Sisters, are known for their subtle realism, character development, and exploration of social change. Other notable figures in modern drama: August Strindberg, Tennessee Williams, Arthur Miller, Samuel Beckett, and Bertolt Brecht also made significant contributions to modern drama. Indian drama. Indian drama in English literature emerged with the British presence in India, initially influenced by Western theatrical traditions. Early works like Krishna Mohan Banerjee's The Persecuted marked the beginning, followed by Michael Madhusudan Dutt's contributions. The 20th century saw significant growth with playwrights like Rabindranath Tagore and Harindranath Chattopadhyay. Themes often explored social issues, cultural encounters, and the impact of colonialism. Rabindranath Tagore, a towering figure in Indian literature, Tagore's plays such as Chitra, The Post Office, The Red Oleanders are known for their lyrical quality, symbolism, and exploration of human relationships and social issues. Girish Karnad. Karnad is celebrated for his historical and mythological plays like Tughlaq, Hayavadana, and Nagamandala. His works often delves into themes of power, identity, and the complexities of human nature. Mahesh Dattani. Dattani is a contemporary playwright known for his realistic and often controversial plays that explore social issues like gender, sexuality, and religious hypocrisy. Dance Like a Man, Bravely Fought the Queen, and Final Solutions are among his notable works. Vijay Tendulkar. Tendulkar's play like Sakaram Binder and Gashiram Kotwal are known for their stark realism, social commentary, and exploration of violence and power dynamics. Other notable playwrights: Asif Karimboy, known for his plays that often focus on social and political issues. Nisim Ezekiel, a poet and playwright. Ezekiel's plays often explore themes of urban life and social alienation. Manjula Padmanabhan. She is known for her play Harvest, which deals with themes of globalization and exploitation. Deena Mehta, a playwright who explores themes of identity, family, and social issues. Badal Sarkar, a prominent Indian playwright who wrote in both Bengali and English. Jeev Patel, a poet and playwright known for his realistic portrayal of social issues. Pratap Sharma, a playwright and actor known for his socially relevant plays. Cyrus Mistry, a playwright known for his plays that often explore themes of family and relationships. Michael Madhusudan Dutt, one of the early pioneers of Indian English drama. Harindranath Chattopadhyay, another early playwright who contributed to the development of the genre. So, this was all about the restoration drama, modern drama, and Indian drama. Please stay tuned for getting further more knowledge in English literature and thank you for watching.